Hello and welcome to GoPGMS. In this video, I will show you how to create a new booking using the guest self-registration form in the GoPGMS app. Guest self-registration helps you save time by allowing guests to enter their own details before check-in. Step 1. Enable guest self-registration form. First, go to the Preferences section from the side menu. Then go to App Preferences. Select the Guest Self-Registration Form option. Here, you can also choose which fields you want to show or hide in the registration form. Step 2. Share registration link with guest. Now go to Dashboard from the side menu. You will see a registration QR icon on the top. You can share this QR code with client via WhatsApp. You can also take the print and paste it in your reception. You can even copy the link and share this link with your guest via WhatsApp, SMS, or email. Step 3. Guest fills the registration form. The guest has to open the link and fills in the registration form. Step 4. Self-registered guest. Now go to Self-registered guest from the side menu. Here you will see the guest entry. Click on View Action to verify the details. Step 5. Create booking for self-registered guest. Now go to Create booking from the side menu. Search for available beds by selecting Room Type Plan, Rent Plan Cycle, Guest Check-in Date. Click on the Search button. Select an available bed and click on Next. Step 6. Link self-registered guest. In the booking form, add the date of booking. To select the self-registered guest from the guest list, select Existing Customer in Customer Type. Now select the guest that you would like to onboard. The guest details will be auto-filled. Once selected, you can see the guest details. Step 7. Add payment and preferences. If the guest has paid any token amount, add it under Booking Transactional Details, Received Amount. Select the transaction type and other payment details if required. Select Bank field is optional. Set the payment preferences like security deposit, monthly rent, monthly maintenance. Please note this amount will be charged along with the monthly rent. If you don't want to charge, keep it empty. Monthly food charges. Checkout maintenance amount. You can add amount in this field if you want to show deduct the maintenance amount at the time this guest checkout. This field is also optional. You can also upload multiple documents if required. Step 8. Create booking. Add comments if needed. Click on Create to complete the booking. Step 9. Complete guest check-in. Under the upcoming bookings, you should find the guest detail. Click on the Check-in button. Verify guest details and payment preferences. Click on Confirm and Check-in. Your guest check-in is now completed successfully. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful.